welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean steamed egg, 계란찜. There are two kinds of steamed egg in Korea. The first one is steamed in ttukbaegi, so it's called Ttukbaegi 계란찜. It's usually served with spicy food. And the second one is called 급식계란찜, school lunch steamed egg. I'm gonna make the second one today. Ttukbaegi steamed egg is hard to make in large quantities, so it's served differently in school. It's a rectangular shape and is served piece by piece to the students. So when I saw it, it reminds me of my school days. You can make it with just simple ingredients and it's great for as a side dish. Okay, then let's set the table. First, put kelp into the cold water and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You can use just water, but kelp makes it to have deep taste. So I recommend you to use kelp if you have. During the time, let's beat the egg. In a bowl, break the eggs and whisk well. And add salt. Make them fully mixed. To make steamed eggs smooth, strain them thoroughly a fine sieve in order to remove the calaza. After that, chop the chives and carrots. You can use green onion instead of chives. The green and orange color will be awesome with yellow color. Remove the kelp from the water and pour this into the egg mixture. And put chopped chives and carrots too. Mix well. Next, prepare the square-shaped glass container. Before pouring the egg mixture, grease the bowl lightly so that it will come off well later. And then pour the egg mixture. And place the steamer over medium-high heat. Cover the lid with cheesecloth to prevent steam from falling on the steamed egg. When the water boils, reduce the heat to medium heat and put the container on it. Steam for 20 minutes. To the test for doneness, insert a toothpick or chopstick. If it comes out clean, it's done. When it's done, turn off the heat and move it out from the steamer. It's really hot, so be careful. Make a gap between steamed egg and container with a knife. It makes it easy to take it out. Separate the steamed eggs from the container. Cut it into the proper size. Okay, it's done. Look at this. The color combination is so beautiful. Yellow, green, orange is so pretty. Okay, let me taste. The texture is very soft and fluffy. And the carrots are steamed perfectly well, so it melts in my mouth with eggs. And the chives flavor is very deep and fresh. It's really great as a side dish with any meal, rice or noodles, anything is okay. It's very savory and tasty. Of course, it's very simple to make it. Today I made a 계란찜. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.